In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to earn money online fast with reoccurring commissions. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what to do. But because you're on this video right now, I already know that you're broke. Don't worry, I can fix it. Stay with me here. You want money this month, not someday. Hopefully we can make that happen for you. The fastest way is with affiliate marketing. That means you promote someone else's product. You don't have to make your own product because that takes time. So you have to choose the right affiliate program for you. Here's how this works. You join an affiliate program and then you have to promote that program. But promoting that program requires that you promote at the places where people are online. Okay? That means they're on Instagram, they're on TikTok, they're on YouTube. That's where you have to be to promote these products. But in order to properly promote these products, there's a couple things that you have to do first. First, you have to warm up the account. Okay, so when you start a brand new account, you can't just immediately start posting because these accounts are very sensitive to bot-like behavior. You need to prove that you're human a little bit, and it's very specific. If you're starting up, there's a lot of unwritten rules behind account creation and the first, you know, actions that are happening on the account. You're judged very harshly because they're trying to prevent people from spamming the system. Okay, so there's a very specific method to warming up your new account. The next, when you do start posting, you need to post with the right format, which means simply there's a very specific format that the best performing short form content uses. And if you're outside of that format, you can have success, of course, but it's much less likely. Okay, and it's very simple. The short form platforms simply prioritize content that keeps people on the platform. Okay, because the longer people are on the platform, the more ad revenue they make. It's very simple. So if you've ever been on Instagram, you start scrolling and you get stuck and you're there, 2 hours later, they're showing you content that they know you're interested in and that has performed the best at keeping people on the platform, right? So it's diabolical is what they've done, but this is the game we have to play. Next, if you're serious about earning money, you need to automate this system of posting and sharing your link. Like I said, warming up first means acting like a human. Okay, so not a bot. A bot would post immediately. A bot might, follow 1,000 accounts the first day, things like that. You need to show that you're human with human-like behavior. There's a very specific way to do that, and I will share that with you eventually. All right. The next thing people don't talk about is to cultivate your feed. Okay, so that means part of the warm up process means watching videos. Okay, so when you watch videos, you can't just watch random videos. You want to watch videos that are in your niche. Okay, from there, not only are you warming up the account, you're also gaining ideas on what that viral video in your niche might look like. You're training the platform to look human. You're avoiding shadow bans, which are absolutely real, by the way. Anyone saying shadow bans aren't real is absolutely lying. Instagram added this like account status thing that you can check, but there's like a shadow ban. There's a real ban, a shadow ban, and a soft shadow ban, where they don't let you know what you've done wrong. They don't they don't let you know that you've been shadow banned, but you will know based on when you go to post content, you'll get very, very low views. And sometimes it is the content, but sometimes you have to learn to recognize that the algorithm doesn't like you right now, and you have to earn the trust. Next is the viral video framework. Okay, so just being consistent and posting good content, and I'll let you in on a secret. Like the best performing content is not super cinematic. It's not like some super charismatic person talking eloquently on the screen. It's very specific, right? And if you pay attention, you can kind of learn exactly what it is. And I do share that in my group. Check the link in the description if you're interested. But You want to structure the video in the right way. And then once you get good at this, once you've warmed up your accounts, once you've started posting with the right format, you kind of understand what you're doing a little bit. The next step is to automate because it does get tiresome to continuously edit content every single day. You have to film, edit, and then post, and then look like a human user all in one. This is great for one account, and you can make money this way. You can handle yourself. But ultimately, if you want to scale to the next level, okay, you want multiple accounts. But again, these short form platforms don't like you having multiple accounts. So you have to do it the right way. And otherwise you'll be shadow banned. So I can teach you how to scale with multiple accounts without getting shadow banned. Now, affiliate marketing is different from when I first started over a decade ago. Back then, you needed a big following, you needed, some clout. You needed people to share your affiliate links with because short form content didn't exist. But now that it does, it allows anyone, even if you're brand new, to reach thousands of people, reach a very large audience. So we absolutely have to be taking advantage of that. And if you're not already, stick with me. I'm gonna share everything here. So you want to link directly to the product you're promoting, right? You don't want 10 different links. Also, when you add the link, you have to do that a certain way. You can't add it too fast. It's all very stupid and very specific. But I learned this the hard way, failing so many times, coaching hundreds of other students and failing myself. I had to learn this over time based on trial and error. All right. Now, when you're choosing an affiliate program, you can choose one that has one time payouts, or you can choose one with reoccurring payouts. Obviously, reoccurring payouts is way better because you don't have to resell or sell to a new batch of people every single month. The old customers are now new customers for the next month, right? It's very simple. Like you can stack success over time. So imagine, 5 years from now, if you chose the right affiliate program, then you'll still be earning commissions possibly based on the work you're doing right now. Okay. This is extremely powerful. And this has to be committed to every single day. Like if you're putting in a lackluster effort, like I can only help you help yourself. Okay. But if you can't help yourself, then I can't help you. Right. So you have to put in a daily effort. You have to lock in and decide, like, this is what I'm going to do. This makes sense to me. Let's go. Like I said, links in the description for the best affiliate program in the world. You need a hook in the viral video framework and a call to action. I'm not going to share the full framework here. You have to join the group and join the affiliate program for that. But a call to action is very simple. It says, comment, ready, and I'll DM you the link or DM you the guide or whatever. And then a really powerful one, I shouldn't even be sharing this with you, is follow plus comment ready, and I'll DM you the link. That's a double call to action. And when people land on your posts and they follow, that's a huge signal to push your content to more and more people. So in month one, you're gaining new customers. And then by month two, the same customer pays again, no extra work required by you. And then by month three, income stacks, where you have the combined effort for month one and month two showing in month three. This acts as a safety net. Let's say, you do want to be lazy 1 month or go on vacation or whatever, you still have the reoccurring commissions coming in. All right. Now, the real reason people quit is whatever they're doing doesn't work or they believe it doesn't work. And that's why when you choose an affiliate program, you need training that goes along with it. Otherwise, you're just going to fail. All right. So I implore you to never start from zero ever again. Never settle for one-time payouts, right? And pick the right affiliate program for you. Also, once you've learned the viral video framework, you've been able to acquire the skills to put this into action. You no longer care about likes or views or followers, and you start to recognize what kind of content, what kind of market brings buyers, right? So like buyers are the most important thing. You don't care about likes. Likes doesn't bring you money, right? So you want to market to the right people. You want to reach the right people in the right niche, connecting the right product to the right people, right? This also means that when you choose an affiliate program or you choose a way to make money, that you stay in that lane long enough to see it succeed. You can't bounce around every few months and expect that something's going to pop off. When you join the affiliate program in the link in the description, you get a community, you get training, and you get the best affiliate program in the world. And if you're with me this far, I need your help. I need you to watch this video 100 times over to help this channel. Like the video, comment your income goals, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone else who wants to make money. In the group, when you sign up for the affiliate program, you're going to learn the full warm-up method, the full viral video format. You're going to learn how to automate the entire process so you don't have to do the work, and get reoccurring commissions for passive monthly income for the rest of your life. All right? Check the link below and let's make some money.